So the question says determine the general solution of the following equations. So we're gonna have our number one, we have 3 sin x, which is equal to 2 tan x, ne? So we're gonna have solution number one. This one is solution number one. So we're gonna have on number one, we're gonna have 3 sin x, which is equals to 2 tan x. So this side we have 3 sin x, this side we have 2 tan x. So as we can look at there, we don't have the same trig ratio, thus we can't solve this thing. So before we could proceed, we can check. Here we can check, we have 3 sin, here we have 2 tan x. So we can change tan x into its own identity. We can say 3 sin x which will equal to sin x over cos x. So in order to get rid or to have sin x in our right hand side, we'll have to times the equation with cos x. Then even this side, we're gonna have cos x times 3 sin x. So we're gonna do like this. So we'll have 3 sin x cos x, which is equals to 2 sin x. We can take this thing and bring it to the left hand side. We have 3 sin x cos x minus 2 sin x equals to 0. So here we have 3 sin x cos x minus 2 sin x. So we can take out the common factor. So we can say sin x, our common factor is sin x. So we're gonna have cos, gonna have 3 cos x minus 2 equal to 0. I guess we're clear, guys. So when we solve this, we're gonna have sin x equal to 0 or 3 cos x minus 2 equal to 0. So we're gonna have x arc sine, then this side we're gonna have 3 cos x equals to 2. So gonna divide both sides by 3. So we're gonna have cos x equal to 2 over 3. Ravale, you can leave it like this. We know our x here is 0. Then here we're gonna have our cos of 2 over 3. So we can press our calculator and see how much do we get. When I get 48, 48 comma let's press the calculator. We're gonna have what? Out of 2 over 3. We're gonna have 48 comma 119. I'm gonna round it to 2 decimal place. So we're gonna go to a cast diagram. So here we know we have 360 minus x, 360 plus x. Here we have 360, we have 0, we have 90 degrees, we have 180, we have 270. So here, no, here we're gonna have cast. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. So the cos is positive this side and this side. Yeah. So we're gonna have x equals to 48,19 plus 360k. K is the element of real numbers. Then I'm gonna have x equals to 360 minus 48,19 plus 360k is the element of real numbers. Then we're gonna have 360 minus and gonna have 311,81. So this side we're gonna have x equal to 0, which is x 0 plus 360k. K is the element of real numbers. So we're gonna have number 2. Solution number 2. So let's turn here. Solution number 2, we have 5 sin x. It should be sin x minus 30 equal to cos 2x. Let's look at with this thing carefully. So we have sin x, sin into x minus 30 degrees, which is equals to cos 2x. So since that on our left hand side we have sin into x minus 30, meaning that side we have to, you know the rule of maths, what we do on the right hand side on the left hand side must be done. So since here we have sin x into x minus 30 degrees, this side will be equal to, you can change this thing by cos into 90 minus let's first check on the calculator, minus 2x. Let's first check on the calculator. into y minus 90. Yeah, I mean it's correct. So let's see plus C and C. Yeah, I mean it's minus C. So you're gonna have sine x into 30. So you're gonna, this thing is gonna make this thing change, because we know, or when we have 90, meaning our trig ratio has to change to sine minus 2x minus 90. Ne? So we're gonna have this one, will cancel this one. We have sine minus 80 degrees equals to 2x minus 90 degrees. So we can take this one in 2x minus x plus x, because this one is positive. Then you can keep 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. This that is 2. You're gonna have negative x. When I have 90, negative 90 plus 80, you get minus 60. So you can divide by 1 and divide by 1. That is equals to 60 degrees Celsius. So we go back to our class diagram. Sine is positive. Sine is positive. It's positive this side and this side. This is why sine is positive. So we're gonna have x 60 plus 360k. K is the element of integers. Then we're gonna write it as 360 plus 60. 360. K is the element of real numbers. Our final answer, we're gonna have 360 plus 60, which is gonna give us 420 plus 420. 360. K is the element of integers. Then it's chi. We can create some space here. That's our number 2. We can write down number 3 here. That's gonna be mixed up. Let's use this space. 2 sine x cos x equal to cos x. This one is simple, the same as that one we did at number 1. So we're gonna have 2 sine x cos x minus cos x equal to 0. So we're gonna take the common factor again. So our common factor is an x.